Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. If you're new here, please click the like button, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Today, from the title of this video, I will be showing you guys my brow routine and steps. Step 1, use a cotton or cotton ball to wipe any excess residue off your brows. Make sure it's clean before you do anything. Step 3 is grooming your brows. So this is a preference. You don't have to do it. A lot of people like to do it beforehand, go to the salon, wax, thread, but I personally like to do it myself. This tool I'm using is called Finish and Touch by Flawless Brow. I basically use it to help remove all the excess hair under and over my brows, which after that I use the razor to sharpen around the edges. Step 4 is outline your brow. This is also a personal preference. The easiest way to do this is to use a pencil. The color pencil I'm using is dark brown. A lot of people like to go bold and use brow gel or brow pomade, but like I said, this is beginners friendly, so I'm using a pencil, the easiest way to get your brow looking as natural as possible without using a lot of products on your brow. Step 5 is conceal around your brows. So this step is also personal preference. I like to use this color corrector from Clinique. It's in the color Deep. A lot of people would prefer using a concealer to conceal around your brows. I like to use this because it's sort of my shade after I blend it in, but it's not like too light or too dark. So I like to use this, but whatever product works for you, do that. In step 6, the last and final step is blend. This is my favorite brush from Morphe that I love to use to blend around my eyebrows. You can use whatever brush you like. I feel like the thicker the brush, the less time you spend blending your brows. But again, this is your preference, whatever brush works for you. Anyways, this is the end of this tutorial. This is the last and final step. Anything after that has nothing to do with brows. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial or this my brow routine. This is how I achieved my wonderful brows. Thank you guys so much for watching.